Laptop screen swap. Hey guys, alright? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to change a laptop screen. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make several tutorials, always to make it easier for you. So guys, there are already other related videos on the channel. If you have any doubts about the issues, I'll leave a playlist with other videos on the card right now. In this video, you'll learn how to change the laptop screen. I'm going to change this screen on the Samsung laptop, but it'll work for any screen. I'm going to see the exact model here. I've already taken out the battery. The model is Samsung's NP270E5G. So I am going to change this screen. And the most important thing when you change it is to get the serial number of the screen. Not only the laptop model, but also the serial number. So you have to take out the screen, check that label or any numbering behind the screen, and order yours on the internet. Any site you ask the question, you're going to talk like this. I want a screen for my Samsung laptop, such and such model. Any salesperson will ask for your screen's model. So it's important you always check the screen label before buying. So I've already checked. The screen has already arrived here. And we're going to change it. So before we do that, we'll remove these screws on the screen. Usually there are 4 or 2, depending on your laptop model. I'm going to remove this clip from the screen. I can remove this part with a spatula or a credit card. With these tools, they sell to open laptops or cell phones. Even with a credit card, you can open it. You can open it by making this opening here. I'll show you step by step shortly. After removing the screws, you can use a credit card. Or this little tool here to open and remove the clip from the frame. It's pretty easy. So this laptop here didn't have any screws, only this clip. So remove the frame here and we'll take out our screen. It's a little pushed in. We'll remove the screw from the screen. So on this model here, it's 2 screws up here. Let's remove the screws. And also remove the screws down here. Once the screws are removed, I'm already here with the screen. Now, I'm going to take out this connecting flat cable. So, that's the flat cable that I'm going to pull out. And the code here on the screen, like I talked about earlier. I'm going to pull out this flat cable very carefully. Here it's removed. Now I'm going to put the new flat cable on the new screen. Guys, remember, you need to remove the bracket on the old screen. So this bracket here is for you to fit the new screen to the laptop. So remove it from both sides, okay? I've already put the bracket on the new screen. There are 4 screws on this side. And 4 screws on that side. Now I'm going to make the connection here with the flat cable. I'll give it a call to test it out. Let's close the frame of the notebook here. Already connected the flat cable to the new screen. Just fits here. It's pretty easy to fit. Be careful when fitting. Now I'll turn on the screen to test. That's it folks, screen changed, working. Now I'll close the frame, the screws. And I'll get back to you here already set up nicely. Oh folks, remember to take off the protective film before assembling. That's it folks, screen changed, working. I hope the step-by-step guide helped you. If you have any questions, put them below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. I'll leave it there. Big hug, stay with God. Thanks.